Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to delete all Gmail emails from your iPhone, all at once. This tutorial will be quick and simple. Just make sure to subscribe to this channel and leave a like on this video if you will find this guide useful. What you want to do, instead of being here on the application like I do and basically deleting the emails like so, you will not have an option to choose here all of them. You would need to scroll down until you find all of them and then select them all. So this is not convenient. All you have to do is go ahead to your Safari browser and go to your mail.google.com and connect to your mail. After you will do that, you want to go ahead and click on those letters AA right there and request a desktop website. That's what you want to click on. And now you will see all of your emails here. And you want to, of course, select your emails. And just like on computer, at the top, you will see select all 200, for example, 91 conversations in primary. And once you will click on that, all you have to do is click delete and confirm bulk action. And that's pretty much it, how you delete your emails. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe and I will see you next time. Bye.